Hi, my name's Ben. Welcome to Near and Far Camden, opposite the iconic Camden Market, a stone's throw away from the infamous music venue, Roundhouse. Today I'm going to be making you our signature margarita, the Coco-Rita. So first things first, guys, you want to prep your glass and we're going to give it a salt rim. Today we're going to be using our homemade chili salts. Next of all, you want to add the base alcohol, which today we're using Cocorita's Gold Tequila, so you want 50 ml of that. We'll add 25 milliliters of citrus and 25 of coconut puree. Garnish. Ooh, a lovely pack.